Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double underline in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add double underline. Firstly, go to a page and we can see here our text. Now we want to add double underline to this text. Firstly, select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then click the underline option. We can see here one underline. Now we want to make the underline is double. Disable the underline. Then go to the tool section, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Then select the color black. Then select the move tool and press Alt on our keyboard and press shift. Then check the underline. Now we can see we make a double underline very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.